Dry upholstery must be dried quickly and evenly to prevent mildew and lingering odors. Start by blotting excess water with clean white towels, using firm downward pressure, and avoid rubbing, which can spread dirt and push moisture deeper into fibers. Open windows and doors to create a cross breeze whenever outdoor conditions allow, and use box fans or ceiling fans to boost air movement across the entire piece. Remove any cushions, seat backs, and loose covers and place them upright or on their edges so air can circulate through both sides. If cushions are piled flat, they trap moisture. For targeted drying on seams, creases, or under cushions, use a small directed fan, often called a snail fan, and angle it so air moves along the fabric instead of forcing water inward. Keep cloth surfaces elevated off hard floors with blocks or racks, so air flows underneath, and check hidden areas like zippers, piping, and skirts where water hides. If humidity is high, use a dehumidifier in the room and avoid heat sources that can shrink or damage fabrics, such as direct hair dryer heat or heaters set close to the upholstery. Common mistakes include leaving cushions stacked flat, which traps moisture and breeds mildew, so always set them on edge or upright to promote even airflow. Another is using high heat like a hair dryer at close range, which can warp fibers and set stains. Instead, use ambient warm air from fans or a low heat setting at safe distance and monitor temperature. A third mistake is assuming surface dryness means complete dryness when padding or webs inside remain damp, so probe seams and remove covers to the extent possible and continue airflow or use a dehumidifier until interior layers are dry. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share real-world drying tips and contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to engage with homeowners and answer practical questions about care and repair.